Is your computer lagging or freezing? We've all been there. This video will guide you through common IT help desk issues, slow computers and system freezes, and how to fix them. A slow machine is more than just annoying. It's a major drain on productivity. End users notice the slowdown immediately, and it can throw off their entire focus. When systems lag, focus is interrupted, and overall productivity spirals downward. We need fast, stable machines to do our best work. End users often feel the slowdown is obvious. Sometimes they even say the, quote, laptop feels heavier, which is often a sign of underlying issues like thermal spikes. So what are the usual culprits behind slow computer performance and freezing? Let's break down the most common reasons. The most frequent cause is often right in front of us. Too many open applications or browser windows chewing through memory until the operating system struggles to breathe. Other common culprits include background processes like heavy applications or operating system updates running unnoticed, demanding resources at inopportune times. Hardware issues present a different category of IT support tickets. These problems lead to slowdowns you can often feel physically. Over time, fans clog with dust, reducing cooling, while aging hard drives and unstable batteries contribute to overall system instability and lag. When temperatures climb due to blocked airflow or other thermal spikes, the CPU is forced to cut its speed to stay alive. This is known as thermal throttling, causing noticeable slowdowns. Now that we know the causes, let's look at the concrete steps you can take to fix lagging and freezing systems. The fastest immediate fix is to close any unused applications or browser windows. This frees up valuable memory the system desperately needs. Open Task Manager and check for any processes spiking CPU or disk usage. If they aren't essential, stop them immediately to regain control. A simple restart often clears hung services and stalled background tasks, giving the operating system a fresh start. Review your Windows Update settings and move heavy updates to quieter hours, preventing them from slowing you down during peak work time. If software tweaks don't fully solve the problem, it's time to physically inspect and test your machine's hardware. Inspect the laptop vents for any dust buildup. Clogged vents severely restrict airflow and lead to overheating, so clean them thoroughly if they look blocked. Run a quick drive test using diagnostic software. This helps detect aging hardware that might be silently underperforming and causing unexpected delays. Monitor the internal temperature levels to confirm whether heat throttling is the root cause of the slowdown. High temps often force the system into survival mode. If performance continues to drop even after basic fixes, the next step is to replace faulty components. This might involve replacing the fan, drive, or other critical parts. Once these steps are completed, your machine should settle into a much smoother rhythm, providing the stability you need to stay productive all day without interruptions.